Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Come with me as I discover womanhood, motherhood, and everything in between. Let's take a closer look at one of my favorite recipes, bean stew. This is the favorite part, the best part, mixing it all together in the pot. Now, one of the things that I was not able to add this time was mushroom because I was fresh out, but that's what I also add in there. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. So that usually cooks for about 2+ hours on low, so you can't really be hungry when you cook it. It can last up to 3 weeks as well. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Tune in next time, every Tuesday, health, fitness, and personal care. Now, today is November 3rd. Did you vote? Take a look at the rest of my pages. Thanks.